What's up, guys? Welcome back again to my channel and to my kitchen. So here I have my seasoned chicken. Now guys, me I cook a lot of food today, so me season one whole chicken. Alright, so now guys, I will leave all the ingredients that I use to season the chicken in the description box, so if you are interested you can always check it out. Now I remove the skin from my chicken. If you don't want to remove the skin, then you don't have to. Alright, that's just my choice. So if you don't like to remove your skin, then go ahead and cook it the way you like it. Now my seasons of choice can be different from yours, but you know guys, once you choose the way you want to do it, then have no problem. Your food still gonna taste good. So I remove all the natural season from my chicken. So guys, you have to remove the natural season. Remember, we're going to fry our chicken first. So if you don't remove all the natural season, then you know the season going to burn while the chicken fry. So ensure that you do that. Alright, so remember, as usual, if you're new to my channel, a special welcome to you. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on all notification. And if you are a returning subscriber, big up on yourself straight. So I have a little oil in the pot, so the oil is hot, so I'm gonna add the chicken pieces. Now I'm not gonna add all the chicken at once. I'm going to add them in batches, because I say I want chicken may I fry, guys, so the pot not that big for all everything. Alright, so may I just fry them in batches as I said, and you know, we're gonna fry them until they're nice and golden brown. Now you don't want to fry chicken on a very high flame. You want to fry it like on a medium high flame. So when one side is golden brown and crispy, I'm gonna turn it to the other side. Alright, so guys, in this video I'm not gonna be using any browning, so you know you have to fry your chicken crispy, golden brown and nice. Alright, now make sure you have some hot water ready to pour on your chicken, because in a free kitchen we're not cook with no cold water. Alright, so I'll just finish frying my chicken and then I return. So this is how the chicken looks. It has a nice beautiful golden brown color, just the way I like it. Alright guys, so this is the last batch. So as you can see guys, the chicken look, you know, there's a little burnt spot around the edges. Yeah, that's pure flavors. But also guys, you know, you don't want to change a pot. Alright, so much flavor, so you want to add back a chicken to the pot. I didn't have a lot of oil, so if you have excess oil, you just want to drain off some and then you add back a chicken to the same pot. Alright, now there are so many ways that I prepare brown stew chicken. This is just one way. So let me add some hot water to the pot, but be careful guys, as you can see the water steam and so on coming up. You don't want it to burn you. Alright, so you add the hot water gradually to the hot oil. So that's what I'm doing. So I'm add some water to the pot and then I'm add the rest to the bowl. My water wasn't very hot because I warmed my water too fast before the chicken finished frying. So mine was like, you know, warm but not hot. Alright, so once it's cool, that's fine. It's not gonna stop the cooking process. So I'm gonna just rinse the bowl to get all that season out, and then I'm gonna add this mixture to the pot. Alright, but since I'm preparing a lot of chicken, you know, you have to add enough water out to the bowl or to the pot to cover the chicken. Alright, so that's what I'm doing here. After adding all my water to the pot and the natural seasoning, I am going to cover the pot, let it come to a rapid boil, and then I'll return when it starts boiling and add some more seasoning. Now guys, I don't like to flavor the pot without the water come to a boil, because as I flavor it, I like to taste. Alright, so that's just how I do my chicken. So if you don't do it that way, then you do it the way you like it. Alright, so now guys, it starts boiling. So remember, we're not gonna add no browning. So I'm gonna just add some seasoning to the pot, cover the pot and let it cook. Alright, but as you go along, taste it, because everybody taste buds is different. So first I'm gonna add some ketchup, and as you can see guys, I added a scotch bonnet pepper. Now because I'm afraid of pepper so badly, So I'm not gonna cut the pepper, but if you like, you could always cut yours. Alright. Now guys, the chicken, it might look like, it might need some more color, but as it cooks, everything will go alright. Once you fry your chicken crispy and golden brown and nice, just cook down your chicken, everything will go alright. And the ketchup, it do add body to your gravy, and it also gives your chicken that nice color as well. Alright. So other than fry your chicken and crispy and golden brown, the ketchup, I love to add it to my chicken. But if you don't want to add the ketchup, then just leave it out. Alright guys, so I did add it a little bit more because I love ketchup, but if you don't like it, leave it out. I season my chicken guys, but I don't like to over season my chicken and then it might too salty or over seasoned. So my life is just season my chicken lightly and then I add some more season when I make my sauce, which is completely optional. That's just my thing. Alright, so I added some more all-purpose seasoning and I added a little black pepper. Now you have to ensure that it's fully mixed out in the pot. You don't want it to be one place and then some part tastes salty or some part tastes fresh or some part tastes flavorless then. So I like to just stir everything in the pot and so the last thing I'm going to add to the pot is some crushed garlic and then I'm going to cover the pot and let it cook. So as it cooks guys, just coat your chicken pieces in that nice gravy so that it can have that beautiful color that is in the pot now. So guys, any other seasoning that you would like to add to the pot, or like if you want to add a carrot or anything you want to add, then go ahead. Alright, I seasoned my chicken with all the natural seasoning already, including tomato and sweet pepper, so I'm not gonna add none of that. Alright, so at this point my chicken is all done. As you can see guys, it has a nice beautiful color, even though we never add no browning. But guys, you can always cook your food without browning. You just need to follow this step. Alright, so I hope you enjoy this quick tutorial. Make sure to subscribe if you are new and turn on all notifications so you never miss another upload.